Hello students, this is the second lecture of Microsoft Windows. In this lecture we shall learn some more basics of our operating system. I would not go in the slideshow form because I shall perform some tasks from the computer to show you how to perform a practical. First of all, it is important to know what is Microsoft Windows. It is an operating system developed and marketed by the Microsoft. Microsoft is the name of a company. There are different versions of Microsoft Windows. In this lecture, we shall cover logging on to Windows 7 computer on laptop, exploring the desktop, using the start menu, using the Windows taskbar and taskbar buttons, notification area, exploring control panel, finding information about your computer, system, ending a computing session. Let's move to logging on to Windows 7 computer on laptop. Once we switch on our laptop, then following screen appears on our machine. Press Alt, Control and Delete buttons at the same time to move to the next screen. When you will press Control, Alt and Delete keys at the same time, then it will bring to this screen. Here the username is admin. You will type the password and it will move to the desktop. If you don't know the password of this user, then you can click switch user, and once you click on it, then it will bring to this screen. Here at this screen you will type the name of the user and password. Once you have provided the required information, then you will be moved to this screen. It is called the desktop. Here there are small icons. These pictures are called icons. On the whole, this screen is called desktop. Arrow sign is called the pointer. It's also called mouse pointer. At the bottom left, this button is called the start button. The below line, this at the bottom is called task bar. This is the notification area using the start menu. This is the picture of start menu. Here, we are going to live, I'm going to minimize it. Here, this is the desktop of the computer. These pictures are called the icons. This is the start button, and this is the screen I have already shown you in the slideshow. This is called the taskbar, and this is the notification area. If I click on this start button, then these are the softwares that are installed on my computer. Here are all programs. You will find a list of the programs. So this is the start button. Then using the Windows taskbar and taskbar button, right click on Windows taskbar, select toolbar to access Windows functionality. Here this is the taskbar. If I click here, then it will move me to the toolbars. These are the different toolbars. Cascade windows, if you want to, here this is the called cascade window. I would right click, and here toolbars. You can on and off different toolbars. This is the address toolbar. Edit, I have clicked here. This sign shows that it is on. Similarly, whichever toolbar I need here, it will be on and shown at the taskbar. If I would click again, then it will be removed from my taskbar. Similarly, cascade windows, if you are working in more than windows, then you can move one window over the other. Show windows stacked, all the windows would be shown. Show windows side by side, show the desktop here. These are the simple buttons. It will move to the basic functionality. Lock the taskbar, it will lock and you will not be able to move it. Properties, you can see the properties of the taskbar and menu bar. Notification area, we have already discussed that this or on live, this is the area which is called notification area. The area in the right corner of the desktop is called notification area. This area shows the notifications about update or other matters. Then comes exploring control panel. Here we shall find the control panel. Here it is given the control panel. I would click here and it shows the different categories. System and security options are given in this category. Network and internet related options are given in this category. Hardware and sound category. Similarly, programs, if I click on any category, it will move to the further subcategories and you can see different options. I am going to click on programs and features. It will move to further detail. It will give me the detail which softwares are installed, what is the name of the company of that software, and install date. Similarly, size of the software and version. I click on it to go back. Similarly, I can manage user accounts and family safety, appearance and personalization, clock, language and region, ease of access. Please keep in mind that we are not going to cover Microsoft Windows in detail. These are the just basics. If you don't know how to operate, how to run computer, then it will help you and you will work on it. You will be master of Microsoft Windows. Now, finding information about your computer system. If you want to see the information about your computer system, the RAM, about the hardware, storage capacity, then you would click on this icon. Here, properties. Look here, the complete information of your system. Windows 7 Ultimate, copyright, service pack, system manufacturer, rating, processor, installed memory, I mean the capacity, RAM, system type, pen and touch, Hewlett Packard, phone, website, everything is, the complete detail is given. Computer name and whatsoever. Here you can also move on this device manager, remote settings, system protection. These hardware are installed on this computer. Advanced and system settings. Now, ending a computing session. We can log off our computer or we can shut down our computer. Restart, the computer will be start again. Sleep, it will move to sleep mode. Hibernate, it will move to the hibernate and your current session will be closed. Working with Windows. If you log off, then the computer is ready for other users. Here, click the start button, click shutdown. It will down your system. Control Alt Delete also moves to the power button, and similarly Alt F4, it will close the windows and then move to the computer shutdown option. So this is our second lecture. I hope you have learned some basics and some good things. Thank you.